warning about coming over here.
Officers patrolled the area by vehicle and on foot to identify individuals showing signs of soliciting. A group of people displaying suspicious behavior appeared. When police approached, several individuals attempted to flee but were quickly detained.
I already gave you a warning about coming over here. I know you're not from Florida. You from Florida? Stop walking around. I'll get it for you. That can't go to where you go. So go over there. Whoa. You have any knife on you?
No, I don't have nothing on me.
Why in your pants?
Can you take this to the store?
Chin, bring her on the side real quick. You should do that over there for her. Bring her over here. Let's 24 her. You're from here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what are you doing here? If you're not out here, no, hold on. If you're not out here with them, right?
Yes.
What are you doing there?
Oh, my boyfriend talking about scooters.
Your boyfriend what?
We talking about electric scooters.
So why you standing in the corner then?
No, I was talking to my friend here, my man right there.
Hey, don't make things worse for her. Give me a second. Let me do my job. You're gonna go to the station. We're gonna ask you a couple of questions and then we'll go from there. Okay? Watch them while I clean out the car.
Yeah.
You want your phone for him?
Yeah.
All right. Excuse me.
Back up.
North 305.
Sit in the middle.
North 305.
You got any knife on you?
I'm searching.
Anything that can prick
I
you?
can't really say anything. Hang on.
Let me hold on to the phone.
What's this?
It's coins. Trading.
Oh, coins.
Wow.
Okay.
A woman was separated for individual questioning. She repeatedly insisted that she did nothing wrong, claiming she was only talking to her boyfriend about an electric scooter and was not involved in any prostitution activity. She maintained that she was just standing there and wasn't soliciting anyone. During a search, officers recovered several items they believed were related to prostitution, but she continued to deny all accusations.
I know that's yours because my car don't have any of that.
No problem.
So if you have more, just let me know.
I don't have anything else. My time right there just
Your what?
trading.
Okay, you want that? You want the 10 cents? All right, sit in the middle.
When you see the middle, then I'll make you walk there and have to start.
You gonna give the phone to him or you want her to keep it?
You want him to keep your phone or no?
No, you give it to my boyfriend.
Give it to the guy over there?
Yeah.
All right. Go ahead. So he gets your phone, right? Perfect.
Step out. Come out. Come out. Don't start doing the most. Your stuff is all out. Step out the car.
11206, 11206.
Damn, man.
635 County.
During a more detailed inspection, officers noted that she was not wearing any underwear. This raised suspicion that she was either preparing for or had just engaged in indecent activity.
Stand up. You turn around? All right, have a seat. Come again, Amanisha. Stand up. Stand up. Okay, you don't have to. I'll check you like this. Move your head. Move your 27 piece.
You got jokes,
So you
right?
lie to me again.
How you got what?
What's this?
There ain't nothing in there. It's trash.
I actually be having number.
There's nothing but trash. There is all that in There ain't nothing but trash in here.
No, I can't do that. How about officers does that make me if I throw stuff out?
What you mean? Ain't nothing but trash in here.
You got something in your 27 piece?
I don't know. You got something in yours?
This ain't no 27 piece. Stop moving.
I mean, ain't nothing in there,
I don't
man.
do 27
Ain't
piece.
nothing in
Hold on,
there.
let me check. Let me check.
Come on, man. Now you doing too much. This ain't no wig,
I'm
man.
not gonna take it out. Relax.
It's not gonna be out. This ain't no wig, man.
Chin here.
It's not a wig.
These little baggies that she got. In her little bra. What happened? I'm not the one that put you here. I'm not the one that put this in your bra.
There ain't nothing but trash.
I mean, I guess you finished it.
Ma'am, are you from Florida?
You've seen me here before. You know.
I don't know. I arrested you for it?
Yes.
But you
I've never seen you before.
I don't think you should.
Yeah, I remembered you. I was wearing the wig, my black wig. Yeah, I remember you. That's why I looked at you. I was like, oh shit.
Hey, that's how you walked up and you saw me? The hat didn't work, huh?
Yeah, I saw your ass.
Hey, I'll be honest, I didn't recognize your wig.
I saw your ass. I don't remember her.
I don't remember her though. You know what?
This is
This
the only thing I'm gonna throw out right here.
was one of the last ones.
Because there's nothing here. But this, I
Oh,
can't.
November.
Yeah. I have court tomorrow.
I told you already. If you don't tell us who you are, it's going to be a charge of obstruction. If you tell us who you are, it won't be a charge.
I can't throw stuff out. What type of officers does that make me?
Question to you.
There is something in here. This one, yeah.
No.
But this I can't because of the other baggies.
Florida. Have you ever had a Florida ID before?
I tried to turn your phone on and it was there. Who? Okay, so in the beginning of this conversation, you made a comment saying that they make it hard for the ones that are dressed up. So you're working.
Yeah, no, because they want me to look like I stand right there and use my phone. You make people make sense.
But you've been arrested before for prostitution.
Yeah, but those not like that. They ain't like that. And they just grab me.
How is not like that? Why am I supposed to believe you?
Because this I grab me. This I got grab.
What other guy are grabbing?
None of y'all arrest.
So all those times that you've been arrested for prostitution,
I got
you weren't working?
I got arrested one time, like 12 years ago. Off prostitution.
So it's just a coincidence that every time that there's a prostitution sweep, you just get snatched up, and you happen to be in the area.
Yeah, it's a fucked up part.
No, you don't have to lie.
You know, not last.
Okay, so do you have a job?
I do hair, you know, hair.
But you weren't doing here now. You were standing in the corner next to prostitutes.
Well, you on phone, if y'all was watching whatever, I was sitting after they got up for I just got a phone. You know, so I couldn't do it.
Okay, so
My family. I had to get up, can't sit around.
yeah, you can't sit there. So you were obstructing the sidewalk too. That's another thing that you were doing.
No, I was sitting there on the next block. They was going to sit on these right, but since it was cold, and that's when people started got up. Then you got to sit there, moving the money. I got up, and I moved there. So I got to get Interrogation.
Okay. I see you're gonna keep lying to me. I already know what you were doing. You weren't just standing in the corner. You don't gotta try to lie to me. I respect you more if you just keep it G. You were working. You're not even wearing panties.
Maybe pretty dirty.
Really?
Yes. Maybe I want.
Okay.
This is it. I'm saying if y'all want to see it.
Okay.
I gave my
Okay. We're gonna scratch this. I'm not gonna keep.
She was charged with indecent.
In the end, the woman was placed in the patrol car and charged with indecent exposure and obstructing traffic. Although she repeatedly denied any wrongdoing, the entire incident was clearly captured on body cam. This case serves as a reminder that what may seem like harmless behavior in a public area can quickly lead to serious legal trouble. During law enforcement crackdowns, any suspicious actions can be investigated and addressed immediately. The lesson here is simple. Stay away from high-risk areas. Avoid putting yourself in situations that can be easily misunderstood, and always follow the law to protect yourself. If you found this breakdown informative, make sure to hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe for more real body cam encounters. Your support helps the channel grow and brings more educational content like this. Thank you for watching.